In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to center align text on your Squarespace page. If you're looking to improve the visual appeal and readability of your website, aligning text is a simple yet effective technique. Let's dive right in and walk through the entire process step by step. First, we'll need to log into the Squarespace dashboard. Open up your browser and head over to the Squarespace website. Once you're there, log in with your credentials. If you haven't already created an account, be sure to set one up to take full advantage of all that Squarespace offers. Once logged in, you'll see your main dashboard, which gives you an overview of your site or multiple sites if you manage more than one. Next, you'll want to select the website you wish to work on. This step is crucial if you have multiple projects in your dashboard, as each site may require different setups or edits. Once you've selected your desired website, go ahead and click on it. You'll then see more options appear. From here, look for and click on the Pages option. This is where you'll find all the pages that make up your website. Now, you'll need to navigate to the specific page you want to edit. Click on that page and then head to the top left corner of your interface and press the Edit button. This will open up the page in edit mode, allowing you to make changes to the content displayed. With the page now in editing mode, locate the text block you want to adjust. Click on the text block and you'll see that the text becomes editable, allowing you to make changes right in place. Highlight the text that you want to center align. Simply click and drag your cursor over the text you wish to select. Once the text is highlighted, look up to the toolbar that runs across the top of your editing screen. Here, you'll need to find the text alignment options. Among your choices, there's one for center alignment. This icon typically looks like several lines of text stacked one above the other, all centered. Click on this icon and voila! Your text is now neatly centered within the text block. After completing your changes and ensuring the text appears the way you want it to, it's important to save your work. Go back up to the top left corner of your page and press the Save button. This ensures that all your adjustments will be applied and viewable on the live version of your site. And there you have it. Your text is now center-aligned, giving your website that polished and symmetric look. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and remember to explore other features Squarespace has to offer to make your site truly stand out. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!